In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a client portal in ClickUp. ClickUp is an incredibly versatile project management tool designed to help teams stay organized, collaborate, and track progress. One of its many powerful features is the ability to create a client portal, a dedicated space where you can share updates, resources, and tasks with your clients all in one place. Whether you're a freelancer, an agency, or a business owner, a client portal can streamline your communication and make your workflow more efficient. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting it up. First, log in to your ClickUp workspace. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Once you're logged in, look over to the sidebar or the workspace menu. You'll see an option called Create Space. Go ahead and locate that button. Next, click on the Create Space button. This will open up a menu with several options for setting up your new space. To keep things simple, we're going to use one of ClickUp's pre-built templates, which will save you time and effort. So, select the option that says Use Template. At this point, you'll see a search bar appear. Type the word client into the search bar and then wait for the results to populate. You're looking for the client portal template, which should appear in the search results. Once you see it, you have the option to preview the template. This is a great way to review the structure and make sure it fits your needs. If you'd like, take a moment to explore the preview. After reviewing, select the client portal template from the list, then click on the Use Template button. This will begin the process of loading and building your new space. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the template, this may take a moment, so just sit tight while everything loads. Once the template is ready, it's time to add your clients to the portal. You can invite them by entering their email addresses or sharing access through the settings menu. This step ensures your clients will be able to view the portal and collaborate as needed. With your clients added, the next step is to share the portal with them. You can do this by sending them an invite or sharing a direct link, depending on the level of access you want to provide. This way, they'll have everything they need at their fingertips. Finally, customize the lists, folders, and tasks in the portal to fit your specific workflow. Every business is unique, so take a few minutes to tailor the structure, task names, and details to suit your client relationships and project requirements. Remember, the more aligned the portal is with your processes, the smoother your collaboration will be. And that's it. You've successfully built a client portal in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.